Yo, 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 what's going on? Looks like my camera my camera's giving me issues today. So we're just gonna do it like this. Excuse me. All right, can everybody hear me? Can everybody hear me? All right. Okay, everybody's already asking for giveaways. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon. Like, dang. Sheesh. At least we know what you're here for. Yeah, we know what you're here for. Just the giveaways. All right. Yeah, don't worry. Okay, so shout out to the early birds. There you go. Let's gain some knowledge. There you go. I like that. I like that. Okay, so welcome back, guys. I definitely am looking forward to see what the market is looking like. We're already taking a look at gold. Let me know if you guys see my screen. I feel like you know what? Where's my Streamlabs real quick? I feel like there's one thing that I did not do. Display capture. There we go. The capture is no. It's, okay, cool. All right. Okay. What screen are they seeing? What's up, Miles? Okay. So, I'm seeing which what screen you guys are seeing, just making sure everything's running smoothly. Okay, so y'all can see my screen, right? If y'all can see my screen, let me know what chart I have on. You only see this YouTube for your studios. All right, so then bring this back here then. All right, cool. All right, so one thing about Streamlabs, we're gonna have to make this a little wider. Perfect. And let me make my all right, can you guys see this one clearly? Make this a little smaller. Put that in the corner. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. All right, let's ride. All right, let's ride. All right, so this is a nice counter trade buy. We are buying towards the supply zone for gold. The supply zone being yesterday's high. So currently that's what we're taking a look at, gold, but there's no setup yet. Hopefully you guys already had gotten in or something if you are trading gold. But for now, you know, I'm not gonna be just getting in this trade because it's the last bits of it. But gold has been in a downtrend. However, this is just a retracement, so you know, for me the best entry was at like 5:30 a.m. which you can see here on the 30-minute time frame where like price literally broke structure, pulled back into this area, and then we went into the order block, the supply zone from this point. So what we're gonna do here now is we're gonna wait and see if price is going to reject off this area, see if there's a potential sell, but I'd be mindful because we could pretty much see a break if there are more news around what's it called, around New York. All right, so what indicator am I using? Honestly, it's just a very simple indicator called semaphore. It's really cool, but it's not a big thing, you know. It's not it's not like a significant indicator. All right, so any giveaway today, yes, one lucky winner will definitely get chosen, but for now let's worry about the charts. All right, so we did have some news for the US dollar. It was the unemployment claims. So the unemployment claims here, as you guys can see, the actual numbers came out a lot less, well, not a lot less, but at least 1K less than the 240K that they were expecting. So what does that mean? That means we are not doing too bad as far as unemployment, but truth be told, 239 and 240, we're talking about millions. All right, so at least there's 1 million jobs less. There's a 1 million less people who are unemployed. All right, versus what they thought. So the situation, according to this number, is extremely bad. So what does that mean? Well, it doesn't really change too much. However, we can see that the dollar made it to this area of supply zones. from July last month, and it seems like we are reversing in a bit. So this could actually mean that, you know, EU, gold, and GU could be buying back towards, like, you know, last Friday's highs or anything like that. We just gotta wait and see what the break of structure is. All right, so we had a BOS / change of character, price pull back. This was a really nice setup, actually. Dang, very nice setup. Anybody caught that EU? Wow, this was a beautiful setup, actually. Okay, so now that we've actually broken the structure, we could pull a fib and wait and see what happens in the next coming hours, if price is going to respect that. And so if price is going to be buying, then we have last week's highs right here. All this space right here is last week's highs. Okay, so So, checking the chat. All right, somebody said, "You're a true talent. Keep up the amazing work." I appreciate that, man. And so, Euro GBP breakdown retest entry live going on. Nice, nice, nice. I'm guessing Ali had spoken about that. Let me see. Yeah, that breaking retest. I'm not a huge Euro GBP fan, so yeah, shout out to you if you are in that trade. Okay, I noticed that GJ was having some issues here, and so the price doesn't look super clean, but I do know GJ is looking to go further to the upside, unless they can't break above last week's. I mean, not last week, but last London's high. Suraj is, thank you, I appreciate that. Okay, so what's everyone's favorite pair in this chat? Let me see. What's everyone's favorite pair? Oh wow, this is very interesting. We got US 30 at this imbalance at 34,750. Yeah, I've been called this, but price action was crazy. To me, at least. Wow. This was such crazy price action. Monday, break of structure, retest. Ah, wow, look at that. 1 a.m. price action. Yeah, I would not have even imagined. Tuesday at 1 a.m. Wow. Yeah, so because we're at this imbalance for US 30, I would much rather see price break structure one more time, because this doesn't mean anything. It's almost 9:30. Which indicator is that? It's just a simple indicator. It's called semaphore. But yes, there is a giveaway today. Yes, there's definitely a giveaway today. I will reach out. All right, one surprise winner will be chosen. So make sure you guys tell me about yourself. Tell me how long. Whoever's been trading the longest will get a giveaway today. Whoever's been trading the longest will get a giveaway today. Hey, somebody's from Boston. I wonder who that is. The Nod. 3 years. Good morning, the Nod. 3 years, Bernard Johnson. 3 years. Okay. Trading since 2019. Learned during peak of COVID. Okay. I'm from India. 1 month. From VA. Fernando. Que lo que. My man's from Nova. I know these parks very well. 5 years. From Louisiana. Baton Rouge. Shout out Boosie. Shout out Kevin Gates. Shout out OBJ. Ain't Jada Youngin from there too? My name is Shamalin from Rwanda. Yeah. We ain't gonna name the other guy. He too reckless. Alright, so if we're taking a look at US 30, what do we have? We saw that price for Thursday at 6. Well, I mean, pretty much price is bullish on US 30. I'll definitely take this buy for US 30. Let me see. Market's about to open in just a bit. Let me check and see which account I'm gonna use. Okay, if price is gonna buy for US 30, we could probably get a retest right here. But I like the way price broke structure and swept liquidity. So I would definitely want to put my stop loss below this low. But shoot. Even to be honestly, just to be safe, putting your stop loss like below 34,733 is not a sin. Honestly, truly. All right, so did everybody watch the contract size video that I did for Fortunes Funding, because a lot of people, we are finding out, are messing up with the contract size. Like for instance, US 30, the contract size for our current broker is 0.10. Well, it's 10. Yeah, the contract size is 10. So in order for you to trade $1, you have to put in 0.10, or else you're grits. You know, you got to be careful. All right, here we go. Here we go. Yep, and we definitely have the potential to touch yesterday's highs. This is gonna be a banger. Not even gonna hold you. Not even gonna hold you. Just the strength of price. Just the fact that price is bouncing off of, what's it called? Bouncing off of this imbalance on the left. Off the H1. Yeah, bruh. We finna buy like crazy. Right? Don't get carried away. That doesn't mean we're gonna make anything. And that's why trading does carry high risk, but I could definitely see us going up for 165 points, which I would definitely appreciate. 246. Alright, so we got our trade for the day. US 30. Let's see what's up, US 30. Definitely looking forward to see where price was. I did yesterday's afternoon order block is right there. We got to be mindful of that as well. Right there. Them little slim shady supply zones from the previous order block in the afternoon. You know, they'll make it there and literally like bounce out. So my TP is definitely 34,926. Let me check the chat. All right, so market just opened. We bouncing off of 1 hour imbalance. I would love to see price, you know, go back to yesterday's highs at least. So let's see what happens. What's up? What's up? Can we dabble in gold? Yeah, we can. So All right, so here's how I would want to take. I would get in gold, right? If we get a retracement, then sure, because it seems like this was 838. They went above 838, gave a W. I mean, they gave an M formation. They having to break its structure, so we'll see if that actually is the play. I'll open up another tab. Wouldn't yesterday's highs be 35,131? Yeah, yesterday's highs would be 35,131. It's just there's the afternoon areas as well from yesterday that we have to be mindful of. I don't know if you guys ever realize sometimes like you get in a trade for a buy, and then between the 9:30 to 9:45, next thing you know, price is retracing something vicious, and you're like, yo, where is this coming from? You go to the left, next thing you know, this was where price was in the afternoon. So we got to be mindful of that as first target, and then if they break above, then perfect. We could go to yesterday's highs. Hope that makes sense. Yep, your bias is sell for gold. Yep, same here. Just gotta wait for this confirmation retrace if they gave it to us. Can everybody hear me though? Everybody can hear me very well. I don't want to sound too low, and the next thing you know, like nobody hears me. Okay, scale of 1 to 10, everything good? What size account will be given out today? Perfect. 10, my boy. Appreciate you. My boy Ralph. Geek Profit. Yes, sir. And not said 4. Come on, man. Don't do that to me. Okay. So what size account will be given out today? Honestly, it'll be a surprise. It could be 10, could be 25. I just want to make sure you guys get your accounts. I'm not the type to get bombarded on my messages about giveaways. So like I need to make sure these giveaways are being sent in time, because I don't have time for the delay. Like if something's going on, I need it to happen, so I don't have to worry about it. All right, so still currently in those buys for US 30. As I said, my first target is the 34,926 area. It's only been 6 minutes since market open. But one thing that's cool about the setup is like the fact that they rejected off the imbalance. We know that there's only one direction that this market could go, and that's up. So you just got to give it time, and hopefully our patience rewards us for waiting for the trade to set up, because sometimes patience can be subjective. Okay, now look at USD CAD for me. You've seen buys, but you'd like to hear my opinion. All right. Heard you asking who was trading the longest. Been at the chart since 4. Hey, yo, Josh, that was funny. Yo, what's your Instagram, bro? My man said, been at the chart since 4:15 Pacific Standard Time. That was funny, bro. Yo, reach out to me on Instagram. Go to my go to the details if you're not following me yet, and then you could find my Instagram. Reach out to me, bro. That was funny. You just might get a giveaway for that. I like that. It's funny. My man is not on the whole social media tip. Josh out here moving incognito. Josh not no internet guy, man. I hear you, bro. All right, let me check back AUD USD for. So let me be honest with you guys. Yeah. You know how like we're looking for sells, right? But until price either sweeps above the previous day, the previous week, the prior sessions, I'm always skeptical. Or unless price breaks structure, retraces, and mitigates, then I'll consider it a sell. But if price doesn't give me none of that, like if price doesn't give those things, you might be surprised how they buy it just a little bit higher in the next couple hours as you are expecting that sell, so I'm always mindful. So back to the pair that seems to have the most potential today. I know some of you guys don't trade US30 and it wasn't part of your plan, but this is what I'm talking about. See how AUD USD is like still kind of trying to buy in a little bit higher? Wow. 2017, my man said, yep, enough with the social media. That's crazy, man. Since 2017. Wow. Can I look at USD CAD? All right, let me go ahead and take a look. USD CAD. Yeah, it seems like USD CAD is doing a higher low. But just there's no entry just yet. That's all. In my opinion. So like yeah, UCAT seems to be, honestly, I would scale in here. I would scale in just in case. Drop down to the N5. Okay. Yeah, pay attention to this point of interest here. And wait and see if price will break structure or not for your entry. Might be today, might be later on. But yeah, like when I tell you guys, if price is not sweeping liquidity and breaking back to the opposite side, don't try and get into no type of sniper entries yet, because they just might buy a little bit higher. Or if you're risking it for the biscuit, you got to make sure like you put your stop loss somewhere where there's enough breathing room, because they are looking for those early positions. They are. All right, so to my knowledge, price is not fully made it. They could sweep, but if you want to get in, figure out like if that is your entry or not, just make sure you have breathing room. That's all I would say. All right, so let me go back and check with US30. Ain't nobody got time to be. Oh yeah. Okay. Nod said, nah, Yes, sir. Okay, so who's in that US30 buy? It's 9:43. So tell me how I turned on my Sony ZV-1 camera today, and literally that joint said battery exhausted, and I'm like, exhausted from what? I'm the one who just woke up from sleeping. Like, if I had a good night's sleep and you weren't being used, then who was exhausting you? I need answers. So I'm not sure if I had put like, if I had let the battery charge too long, and then now maybe that's affecting the battery. But yo, like the Sony ZV-1 cameras, bruh, battery life sucks. So you gotta have like an extra battery or like keep it charged. But I guess I'm learning not to keep it charged too long when I'm done with it and it's done charging, because maybe that did impact the battery. So yeah, so it looks like the MacBook camera is not doing too bad today. Am I right? Okay, we showing some love to Rwanda. Rwanda, yeah. Africa. The motherland. Shout out to the motherland. All right, so as you guys can see, price is retracing a little bit. Hopefully they don't retrace to where my brother was anticipating. Either way, I don't think this is a sell. I just think it's a retracement. Okay, so for UCAD, you have your reaction off the zone. That definitely is a good look. Definitely is a good look. Let me see what this is. 15 pip stop loss. It's not a bad setup. Not a bad setup at all. Yep. So I just got in USD CAD with my stop loss below the low. Price swept here, and I definitely can see USD CAD going for like an intraday range. So I definitely don't mind seeing price actually go higher from here. So I don't have a definite target, but if this is a higher low, then up and away we go. Retracements always scare me, and I get my stop loss to profit and get caught out. Hey, at least you get stopped in profit. let's not discredit that one, you know? It's a good thing you're getting stopped out in profit. Sometimes we don't get stopped out in profit. We get stopped out entirely, royally. Yeah. Yeah, good stuff, Bernard. Yeah, shout out to Bernard for contributing to this live today. USD CAD. Shout out to everybody who's engaging in this live. You know, shout out to everybody on this live right now. But this is a good setup. I love it. Yeah, good stuff, bro. So we could see a retracement, you know, but should be fine. All right, so I know some of you guys are like, yo, check gold. Okay, so at this point, yeah, I wouldn't mind getting in the gold sell, but don't want to engage in too many things. So it looks like the mitigation happened right here when we was expecting a potential buy up. That's why I said if someone was thinking about getting into this trade, you would have to give it breathing room. You know, I didn't want to take that trade because I didn't want to give it that much breathing room. You know, it's those type of decisions you make sometimes. Okay, Nanat said, but then my losses outweigh my wins. Well, that means you gotta be more selective, brother. Because if you're winning, then that's a good thing. But if your losses are outweighing your wins, then that's a break-even thing. You know? This happens to everyone. Just gotta figure out, okay, this setup works. All right, this setup doesn't work. Or hey, this setup I'm more confident in. And I get in, whenever I get in this trade, it doesn't play out. So you start to do a process of evaluation, or a process of selectiveness or whatever, right? Okay, so all right, checking back with the dirty 30 here. One thing about US 30, if your mind tells you, hey, close partials, you just gotta quickly do it. US 30 don't want you to think. It just wants you to just act. It's quick. Hopefully this is just price reacting off of this previous resistance turn support, aka breaker block, and we'll see. I don't see why price wouldn't have any trouble touching around this area. Can't pump fake with 30-30. You can't. All right, Siraj, www. Good stuff. Okay. All right, make sure you like this video. Make sure you guys are reposting this video on Instagram. Let's get the engagement up. Okay, so let's say a sell trade were to be taken with gold. Where would price be heading? Do you guys know? If you guys were to take that, yeah, you're not on social media. I get it. What's up? What's up? Paul Wall Street. What's up, bro? If you guys were to take your gold sells, where would your TP be? where would you be targeting your take profit? 1884. Interesting. Go to the 4-hour time frame. All right. So US 30 is definitely just retracing a little deeper. RIP to your friend, man. That's it's not good news. May he rest in peace. Um so just wanted to give that a moment of silence. This is why we have to be discreet about certain things. You don't want to make anything awkward. But so I'm still bullish on US 30. We did see that price retraced and still maintaining, which is a good thing. So it's only 9:58. So we're gonna see if price still will have volume to make it to the first target, aka yesterday's afternoon. So that is one of my main setups. Obviously, gold is melting. So this is why. Let me see. Oh yeah, look at AU. AU That buy was a quick internal structure sweep. Okay. I actually wouldn't mind just taking this sell right here, you know? But what is this? Yeah. But we're not gonna let the market make us make any hasty decisions. So, but obviously it looks like this is how they use this supply zone. We saw price sweep the liquidity with this candle, just like gold. You know, that was a quick sweep of liquidity, and so like, let's say price does retrace a little bit higher, then yeah, it wouldn't be a problem to take a sell. Given the fact that gold is still on a bearish tip, it would make sense. It would make sense. So checking back with UCAD. UCAD is still maintaining. So, which trades are you guys in? Are you in UCAD? Are you in gold? Are you in US 30? Literally calling all types of bangers today. Oh God. Okay, you got in UCAD, Ralph. Okay, cool. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so some of my positions, 34,887. Does that make sense? Paul Wall Street says, I'm in gold sells at 1900.73. Snipe, snipe. Nice. Okay, so you're in US 30, UCAD, Euro, GBJ. You must mean Euro GBP or Euro JPY. Just hit the long on 30 from the retrace from 34,813 for 250. Good job, Josh. Good stuff. What should be target USD CAD? So USD CAD, right? This is a higher low on the M15. So the target has to be higher than that. They might come back to make a retest. It's a retest or whatever, right? But for me, the target is up here, like 1.135.80. I'm willing to swing trade this one. Okay, so like for some reason, US 30 is having trouble getting past this point for now. But again, my bias is the fact that we had bounced off of the imbalance from this point. So, you know, steady, steady, steady. Hopefully price makes it up here. It's just that, you know, from time to time you're looking and then it's like, wait a minute, why are you guys losing strength? Why are you guys losing steam? And these are some of the things that make you want to get out of a trade, but also, you know, you're paying attention to the condition why you got in the first place and what you have risked in order to survive the fluctuation. Nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. Let me check. Appreciate you, Josh. AU sells from 0.6442. Where do you think the target is? Let me check back, Brody. Yeah, so okay, the target. My target is like 6 miles from here, you know, the neighborhood target. No, but so the first target, honestly, if you're an intraday trader, $0.6403, you know, that's definitely a first target. And if price does pick up more steam to sell, then great. Has Euro USD broken structure? Okay, back to Euro USD. I think price broke structure, retraced at the 50, and that's my concern with AU as well. Like, are we really about to sell? Because we just came from this low. And So how's everybody doing with the giveaways we've been giving? How many of you guys have ever won a giveaway on this call? How has that been going? By the way, US 30 is picking up steam, which is good. How many people on this call has actually won a giveaway with Fortunes Funding? Yeah, so I would be taking a buy for EU. And I know that's kind of like contrarian to like AU, but from the way things are looking, I don't know if price is going to be selling off. Yeah, you did 1-2 in one weekend. You gonna make them hate us, bro. Who else has won something from Fortunes? Josh said 30 is gonna hit the 200 on the 5 minute at 34,950 ish. Yeah, that'd be dope. I haven't used the 200 MA in a minute. I'm pretty sure that's not gonna. Let's see, 200 moving average. It's fine. I believe you, bro. If you want to, you can drop your link, your analysis link on this chat. Never won one, but would be nice. Golden cells fill premature entry. I'll tell you what, guys. I like UCAD for the buy. I'm gonna stick to it. EU looks like they're probably gonna buy some more just because they're bouncing off of like this low. But buying some more meaning like buying back to the lower high. Gold seems like for us to get in a trade like this, you probably have to put a stop loss just above this point. And I'm not the type to put 72 pip stop loss from gold. I like to get it earlier, but I wasn't really focused on gold. However, there's another stop loss that you can place, which is like right here above the breaker. It's 26, 27 pips. So the first target would be like 1891. But the fact that price retraced like that, it seems like we could see price continue to the downside. Let me check and see what news is up to. You guys got me looking at all these pairs. Let me chill real quick, yo. I ain't trying to get caught up. Candle looks healthy, the candle loses volume. Candle looks healthy, candle loses volume. I'll tell you. How do you guys deal with waiting on your trades? Let me see. How do you drop an analysis link? You just drop the link, bro. You just go to the top right where the camera is, a little snapshot. Top right, snapshot, and then you hit copy link. You hit copy link, and then you paste it. I think I can win today. Competition. All right, so since I see you guys have high energy for the giveaways, I'm about to see if you guys match the same energy. The person that I choose for the giveaway will have to be reposting at least 2 times a day for Fortunes Funding on their Instagram until the end of the month. All right, and you will get a 25K giveaway. I've actually been paying attention to like everybody who asks for a giveaway and what happens after that. I do know a few names that I see here that are loyal. I see people who do engage, who do repost, because most people are looking at the giveaway like, oh, that would save my life, that would change my life, please sir, oh, give me a giveaway. But what will you do for Fortunes? You feel me? What will you do to support? Because it costs us money to do giveaways, and you know the average trader is not even like reposting us, showing us love on social media, helping us to get exposure. The whole reason why we do giveaways is to show the community love. But the community have to show love back. The community has to also realize in order for us to like give, we need to make revenue as well. You know, we need to make sure the whole world knows Fortunes Funding like the whole world knows FTMO. Does that make sense? So make sure you guys are showing love when we do these things. It's not free, really. We have a whole budget. Imagine if we're sending 100 giveaways of 25K. 100 times 25K, that's that's a lot of bread, you know? So make sure you show love. Make sure you are reposting our content. There's so much things to be reposted. There's so many. I need to see, like, look, if you go to YouTube, watch this. If you go to YouTube, you type in Fortunes Funding. All these videos, I need to see more engagement. I need to see comments. I want to see real engagement. Look, 2 comments. Can't be. So I want you guys to make sure you watch these interviews. You know, like engage on our YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube. So the most engagement that I see by the end of the day is the person that's gonna get the giveaway. So flood them YouTube's Instagram page, repost, and I will make my decision. And the decision will be made. I'll just reach out to the person and make the decision. Does that sound cool? Yep. I can already tell who does that a lot anyway. So today might be your lucky day, liquidity writer. Man said, don't let me win again. Exactly. I heard the man. Don't let him win again. So make sure you are showing us love. It's not sweet out here, bruh. Don't think of yourself only. Think of us. You can critique our analysis, or that was for someone else. No, when I did say like an analysis, drop your analysis, I wanted to critique it, yeah. Just to see what you're looking at. But alright, so AU. We can see AU selling. Let me check EU. EU is still having trouble with this area, but you know, it's just very. Let me go to a higher time frame just to make sure I'm not being confused here. All right. And we're back up again with US 30. My mic is glitching. Oh no. How about now? All right, Euro USD is pushing. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, so as far as AU is making its way to the downside here, nice and smooth. Gold, same thing it seems. Yeah. They snuck past me. I don't know how I feel about that. With gold, they snuck past me, man. I could have 15 pips stop loss that bit. 60 pip TP, damn. Yeah, we don't see it, Paul. But it's all good, bro. Yeah, I went and scrolled all the way up. I don't see it. It's all good. Oh, damn. Testing, testing. I don't know why this is doing that. Okay, I think we figured it out. What? Testing, testing, testing. All right, I'm seeing if I can take care of this problem. Can you guys hear me now? Testing, 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 testing. All right, let's try this one more time. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Perfect. Can you guys? Perfect. All right. So yeah, I don't know what the heck that was about. But so as you guys can see, I'm still paying attention to US 30, and AU is moving quite nice. USD CAD is still holding it down, so EU is selling, but again, I think price is literally about to buy for EU, which is kind of interesting. So I would definitely get out of gold. I would get out gold just in case, because this right here, that definitely looks like the type of setup that is not going to be selling. Matter of fact, but yeah, okay, this does not entertain me. All right, I'm getting out of US 30. I don't like all this wishy-washiness that it's doing. I'm not amused. If it thought that was entertaining or funny, I'm not laughing. So I didn't think it was not in the least bit funny. So I got out. I don't have time for that. I don't have time for that. So still in UCAD though. Still in UCAD. All because price is maintaining a higher low structure. Now, if EU, oh snap, damn, did Nas just, oh wow, Nas is still, interesting. Yeah, something, yeah, I got out of US 30, bruh. Cool, cool, cool. Make sure you tag me too. All right, so somebody just reached out to me. And I just want to bring to attention, like, when you guys are taking your trades, it's you gotta pay attention to how much they're charging you too. Because like you'll get in the trade for a specific lot size, and then you're like, why is the profit not adding up? And it's really all because of how much you're getting charged per trade. It might be $12, it might be $25, and yo, the taxes be taxing, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Taking a sweet time, I see. Yeah, I'm glad I got out of US 30 because, yo, look at this. Anyways, USD CAD. Oh, yeah, okay, UCAD. See, I like you, UCAD. That setup is crazy. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, I'm glad I took this UCAD trade, bro. All right, so let's go back. US 30 has been having issues going higher than this point. So the fact that I got out the buy is cool and everything, but what does that mean? Does that mean we're still selling? See, the price didn't even make it to the quote unquote. We didn't even make it up here. We made it here into this imbalance. You see what I'm saying? And when you look left, afternoon, afternoon price action from the previous day. So can you imagine how many times have you guys gotten stuck in a trade thinking it's gonna go somewhere, and then it does this, and you guys see how I was like still waiting for price to continue, right? And then something told me, yeah, bro, get out. And so now I'm looking at it. I'm like, oh, okay, this is where they wanted to stop at. It's little details like this that really can make or break the trade. Because we really thought price was gonna go up here, and so that's not the case. And I had to realize that, and I closed. You know, stuff like this, bro. Stuff like this matters. And so if Nas is selling still, Josh said 30 showed a bullish divergence on the M5. You were wrong about your target. Siraj, let's trade Academy giveaways. Kiak. Hi. Still holding UCAT, yes sir. Paul Wall Street closed gold. Okay, not bad. Don't feel bad for closing, bro, because, yeah, this was a nice little target. That the target was London's lows. Not bad. Oh man, 80 pips, bro. Ah, that hurts. And yet, US 30 is still moving around. I don't like that type of price action, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure in the later hours this might be the case here, right? But it's just like, damn. Like how many games are we gonna play? Like I don't have time for games. I don't. Okay. How's your trading week so far, guys? Because my trading week so far, I don't know. Didn't like this week, bro. Did not like this week. US 30 bounced that psychological area. Yeah, 34.7 something something. Eventually we're gonna buy. It's Thursday. Tomorrow we might see price literally give a beautiful buy towards Wednesday's highs or just the high of the week. All because like if we keep failing to swing to the low, yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to see if we could just do that. So buy around this afternoon or after 12. I'm gonna see what's up with this. What I could do honestly is just take a conservative trade, put the stop loss with enough breathing room just to see. But man, All right, so we're just going to stay posted about these setups. I'll talk to you guys later. Connect with me on the trading chat on Fortunes. Connect with me. I don't know what the heck. Connect with me on what the heck. Connect with me on Instagram. And so today's winner. Today's winner. Oh yeah. UCAT is making you nervous. Listen, man. Just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Don't nothing make you nervous more than US 30. Now that is the nervous king. All right. Liquidity writer. What? I've been seeing your engagement the whole entire time. You are one of the people that actually struck me. Of course, we got Paul Wall Street. We have Bernard Johnson. Shout out to Ye Profits, Nanad. Derek was in the building. Josh Hammond. All right, we can't forget Josh. Can't forget Josh. All right, so these guys, I appreciate you, but there's only one person that can win today. All right, and because of that, I'm gonna have to give it to my man. Man, this is hard. I'm gonna have to give it to my man, Liquidity Writer. Bro, congratulations, man. Congratulations. Oh man, this was difficult. This was difficult. So, Liquidity Writer, reach out to me. You deserve it today, bro. It was difficult, but you know who else I also will be on the lookout for? Josh Hammond. That was the next person I'll be looking out for. Bernard Johnson. Congratulations, you also won my 3-day bootcamp recording for free. Just reach out to me, man. If you are on the Discord of our Discord, reach out to me. By the way, I see how price is holding it down with US 30. Congratulations, Liquidity Writer. Cool. Yep. Some people might win giveaways, but that don't mean anything. They probably gonna give it away. All right. So, the fact that honestly, Bernard, yep, you won access to my 3-day bootcamp recording for about psychology, man. So it's very, very, very powerful. Reach out to me. And so, my boy Derek Torres said, yo, do you have any type of analysis on Nas? Because, Nas is looking unusual. So with Nas, it looks like price broke structure retraced. And so it's like they've reached this point today. It's about it's almost 11, and it looks like there's a quick retracement happening right now. So that means if you weren't in that trade, don't get in it. Don't get in it. All right, just see if price will retrace back up, maybe sweep up, and if we get another sell for tomorrow or something, and then we'll see what happens from here. Honestly, we are still selling, and in order for us to get in the trade, we'd have to wait for a retracement. Okay. We don't give 5K accounts, we give 10K accounts. But yeah, the 5K accounts are not worth it in my opinion. I just feel like one false move and it's over. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, we're still selling into this trend for Nas, and it looks like we might be we might be reaching the target of 14,775. We've already sort of like touched it in a way. You're welcome. There's a lot of engagement. Let's Trade Academy. I saw you, man. I saw you for sure. The Nod, of course. Geek Profits. Yo, I like this gang. I like how you guys engaged today. I saw a couple of names too. Siraj. I can't deny Siraj. You were definitely from start to finish. You are one of those guys who were. But just keep showing up, guys. What should I do? Should I give the next 5 people access to my bootcamp? Make sure you watch it. All right, so if you got Instagram, reach out to me. Yes, sir. Are you liquidity writer? Are you the Bang Emmanuel? Just wondering. So KJ's figuring out how did he win? Is it engagement on the live, or like what'd you say to comment on the video? Like what is it? Yes, it's engagement. But I also encourage you guys to engage more on the YouTube content that have recently been put out. The interviews that are dropped on the YouTube, the previous videos. Like our YouTube does not have that much engagement. So like, keep reaching out. Keep engaging. Keep showing love. You will stand out. All right. Repost us on Instagram. Like when we post stuff, repost them. All right, that's how you're a part of a community, because the more money and revenue that gets made to help pay the traders, the more we have on budget to throw out free giveaways. All right, because every time we give something for free, it's a charge to us, just for keeping it real. Keeping it real comes with a cost. It comes with a fee. All right, so while you thinking about me, well, think about the fee. All right, think about the fee. So the cost for getting free giveaways is to make sure you engaging. All right, make sure you show us that love, that loyalty, and then you'll see. All right, so the giveaway is a 25K giveaway. All right, so congratulations, Liquidity Writer. Please DM me your email, your first name and last name, and we'll go from there. All right, so thank you for everybody who stopped by. I will be paying attention to anyways, South, yeah, we got Rwanda in the building. Always hoping, hope, engage. All right, y'all. I'll talk to you guys soon. Great live. No problem. No problem.